Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
No shit, Big T's coming.
Big T!
Oh, what do you want?
Big T! Big T.
Is that all he says, or?
Big T.
Through the hole I go to see what isn't.
Meow,
Oh, kitty.
meow, meow. What do we have here? A big juicy rat.
Yeah, probably too big to eat though, yeah?
No,
No. I really like your fur.
I really like your fur.
My fur? No, it's covered in shit. 2 cats. 2 big cats. Probably with a big family. I have a big family.
So you know how hard it is to feed a family.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
I should probably go check on them, actually.
No, you just got here, buddy. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, look at you. Such big, sharp teeth and long, pointy ears.
I'll chew you up and spit you out, you
Whoa,
hear?
you're so terrifying.
Yeah.
Just kidding. Who you are? What's up? You want to tango? Let's tango. Already dug a grave for you out back.
What?
You cannot control me. You cannot. Okay. You can have a little control, but I'm still in charge. I can attack any minute, but you can control for like a second. Oh, that's nice. That's really a spot right there.
Hey! What are you doing? Chill out, kid. What the hell is this? You're just going around slapping me? What the hell you think is going on here? Huh? You think it's your baby? Let me give you another one for good measure, huh? Yeah, man. You don't like getting slapped multiple times, do you? Let me give you one for the road, huh? Get over there, kid. Huh? You're full of it, just like that diaper. Get over there and reflect on life, man. Let this be a lesson to you early, kid. No free slaps without consequences.
Bye, bud. Bye.
Ellie, what do we say when it's time for breakfast? Yahoo!
Izzy, are you stuck?
Say yeah! Kelly!
Shit, what? Do you see my sibling? Where?
Hey!
Hello.
Hi.
You good? No! You can't get out yet.
Алло.
Он прям вообще Боня.
Where's the catnip?
Hello.
Whoa!
Happy.
No.
1, 2, 3.
Do you like your new tie?
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
1, 2. Should I get a dog?
Sit. Paul. Get up. Oh.
Jerry, think about it. It's a baby. Don't do it.
Alright, so now I get out with you.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
You're adopted.
Normalize you not touching my charger.
Literally.
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely different. The way you make.
Wait a second, what are those things? You're unleashing them? Get me up! Holy shit, they're swarming me! What's wrong? Demons! Oh, get me out of... Whoa!
I barely escaped with my life that day. Sorry, I just, apparently they're called puppies. You know, I like to call them fluffy little demons.